Lo mein beef and Chinese egg noodles. A main dish from China. Serves 2. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Dip greater than 1. Parboil fresh egg noodles for 3 minutes. Rinse with cold water and drain. Step 2. Slice beef into 1/8 inch strips across the grain. Marinate for 15 minutes. Step 3. Prepare sauce mixture. Have a pot of hot water ready? Step 4. Heat wok. Add 2 tablespoons oil and reheat. Add garlic, brown. Discard. Add beef and salt, stir until 3/4 done. Add sauce mixture and stir until
Step
thickened.
5.
Add green onions
sauce
and
over
sesame
noodles.
oil.
Slash
Mix well and
dip.
keep warm. Drop noodles into hot water. Stir for a minute to heat. Drain well. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.